Is on B with Sova. Might be able to go up cat. Can you drone up cat maybe soon?
One's man, one's man.
I'm gonna flash high.
I'm going out. Where's
Omen's man, I think.
left side, left. Nice, one tree. That's her third.
One enemy
Good job.
remaining.
How do you develop comment, bro? What people call comment, bro, it's literally just like being precise. I don't believe that like calm aim's a thing. It's just target recognition, and then all it is making sure that you can shoot precisely. That's all it is. And like people develop it at like different speeds and stuff, but like the people that legit like stand there and like watch the enemy and then like slowly move their shit, like I don't believe in that.
I smoked.
Silva's on me. I'm gonna flash that.
Down B.
Outstairs.
One
Logs
enemy
now.
remaining.
Good job. You play so close to your monitor? I do play really close to my monitor.
One man, one man.
I can flash him.
Yeah,
Flashing?
I'm flashing high.
Closing door.
Spike down A. Last player standing.
One heaven, one door.